This tutorial will demonstrate how to integrate a thermal camera with Net2 to permit or deny access based on the user's temperature in order to support a COVID-secure environment. Currently in the industry, thermal cameras are seeing a significant rise in demand, directly due to the symptom associated with COVID-19 of a consistently raised temperature. Thermal scanning offers an added layer of safety when used in combination with access control. We can introduce an opportunity to further reduce risk in the workplace by denying access to people identified with a heightened temperature that may put others at risk. By doing so, we can help towards confirming all staff and visitors do not have a fever before entering the premises, protecting staff from infection. The integration works as follows. User presents their token, their temperature is taken by the camera, and access is permitted if in the acceptable range, or denied if higher than the threshold set. The process takes less than a second and works in conjunction with Net2 access levels. Suprema, Invixium, ZK Teco, and an increasing number of solutions have been evaluated and are supported. If we use the example here of a research facility, we have a thermal scanner at the entry point within reception and one set up at the entrance to a specific laboratory room within the premises. The entrance is managed by a turnstile, and upon the presentation of a valid token and a thermal scan under the threshold, access is granted. By having a second scanning point, we can identify if anyone develops symptoms within the workplace. Should access be denied, that individual can self-identify to the relevant people or department and be appropriately addressed and kept away from others to prevent the risk of passing on the virus. Ensure that the manufacturer's instructions are followed when installing the thermal scanner into the environment and while setting the appropriate mode of operation. The thermal scanner should be configured to output a Wiegand format. The scanner will connect to the reader port of the Net2 Plus control unit using Wiegand D0, D1, and ground connections. Update reader side for generic connections, W0 output, W1 output, and Wiegand ground. The reader settings need to be configured within the Net2 software. Navigate to Doors and select the relevant control unit. Set the reader type to Wiegand reader. Change the token data format to the appropriate format for the thermal scanner. Amend the reader operating mode to token only, and apply to save your changes. The thermal scanner is now ready to be used with Net2. Complete instructions for the integration of the supported thermal scanners are available on our website.